Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pens, a collection of high-functioning, utility-driven defensive writing tools. The SWAT pen, an anti-slip grip ballpoint that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. A tactical pen that gives your writing a smooth finish. The MTP6 pen, a high-utility concept with a dual-mode flashlight. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. The Rebel pen, a sleek tactical writing instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pen comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pens are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry Tactical Pens. They're not just pens, they're something more.